Alright, this is gonna be my first video, and I'm also just gonna cut to the chase. So what this video is about is I'm gonna try to teach you guys my strategy that I use for day trading. I'm in the Navy, so I really don't have that much time to actually trade during the day, but I do have a lot of time to chart. So a lot of my plays you'll see like don't even come from the charting, to be honest, but my charts do play out a good bit. I'll show you guys that in a minute, but at first I want to show you guys that I am a profitable trader, at least for the month. You know, up 30% from the month. I also turned 5,800 into this $9,510 that I have now. Meaning I put $5,800 of my own money in, and I now have what I have now. It doesn't show that because I was started on a different account, but whatever. And these big dips, I know these might scare a couple people away. All I gotta say is some risky plays were involved in this, and God blessed me with the results I ended up with, which might not sound too promising to some of you guys watching this video, but I hope you guys came to this video for this right here, these trades right here. You know, the consistent. You don't see the big dips in these. You just see the consistent wins, and I will get to that right now. Now you guys can see we are over on TradingView now. And basically I'm going to show you guys multiple strategies, mostly for the day trading aspect of, how I trade, but some for the swing trades. I'm a lot more confident in the day trades. Oh, I should have showed you guys that. I'll show you guys that on Robinhood after this. But anyway, my SPY plays I tend to go pretty heavy on because I'm a lot more confident in those than I am the swing trades. Yeah, so I'll normally put like, all right, I don't even want to disclose that information because it might sound risky to some of you guys, but I'll be honest, I put in about 8K per SPY trade and about 3K per swing trade. I only use 3K on the swing trades because I'm not too confident in them. But vice versa, the reason I up the ante for the SPY plays is because I have a lot of confidence in them and I'm monitoring them. Okay. I'm going to show you guys a strategy now. Alright, so this would be a perfect example. My strategy is, you don't see me with all those indicators and shit. You mainly just see me with levels and looking at levels to break. And I'll get to that in just a second on what I mean by that. So, this right here. This is a perfect example. I know this is at market open, so it's a kind of a bad example, but I just want to give you guys an example. So, we got the consolidation here. We also have consolidation here, but, we broke this consolidation and came up to this consolidation, pretty choppy movement, as you can see, but, so we consolidate around this area. You see this red candle, you see this green candle, it ends like the candle, this is on the 30-minute chart by the way, but the candle closes, green, but you can see how far this bottom wick went, which some people see that as a bullish sign, but most of the time it's bearish, at least to me, because it is still at the bottom of this huge red candle. So like the top of this is at the bottom of this, so it's not really that bullish to me. Anyway, so the next candle, this is when I would hop in. I would hop in on this continuation. Continuation meaning, just the downtrend and then the break of consolidation. I did not mean to do that, but you get your break of consolidation because you put a line here because this is where the price kept bouncing. It kept bouncing from the support and the consolidation and the time I was consolidating. So then when it breaks that consolidation, that's why you see this drop right here, because it broke that support, and now the sellers have control, at least for that short amount of time. So to get in on this trade, you would see this red candle, you'd see this red candle nick the outside of that consolidation, just get out of it. Green candle get even farther out of it, and then you see this bigger red candle, this thicker red candle, you see it come down. See this really thin red candle, but it's still red, and it still went even farther down than the last one. So If you don't get on here because you're too scared, which is completely fine. It's all good to be to manage your risk. But if you don't get in up here, you want to get in here. This is where you want to get in, right here. Because not only did we start a new candle, even lower than this one, we are gaining momentum. We're not popping up. We're not popping up at the beginning. We're just staying here and running. So you want to get in up here, and I would probably sell as soon as you get that 10 to 20% gain, which you guys might think, bro, you're not getting a 10 to 20% gain. I promise you are on a damn near dollar drop on SPY. I guarantee you're getting that easy. Let me give you guys another example just so you guys can actually, like, I don't know, just to give you, another example is always good. All right, so same thing here. You see this consolidation, you see the support. The downtrend starts. Really weird candles. This must be I guess not after hours, I don't know, but really weird candle work here. And you see the break of consolidation all the way down here. So I would try to get in here, and then you would just write it down to where it stops. Well, not to where it stops, to where you see that 10 to 20% gain again. You're basically scalping, but I'm just trying to give you guys a consistent scalping strategy without all the indicators and the confusing ass shit. This might honestly be confusing to some people, but if you guys are new and you're watching this video, I promise trading gets easier. I promise you it gets simpler. You just need to be around it longer. But yeah, so you see this downtrend, you see the confirmation of the downtrend and the break of the support. That's why you get in, because it just broke the consolidation, and it broke the consolidation because it was consolidating up here in the short term, and consolidating here and using this as support. But not only did it break the short-term consolidation on this candle, it broke the support in one singular candle. It came all the way from here to here. So when you see this open up here, not bounce at all. Remember, bouncing is bad. You don't want to see your candle on your continuation. You do not want to see it immediately bounce. You want to see it fall, and you want to see it fall immediately. By the way, I thought I should tell you guys, I normally look to the downside. You guys can say I'm a bear. I don't really give a fuck about that corny ass shit, but most of my trades are to the downside. But yeah, so you see this, you don't see any pop up. You see it go down as soon as this candle ends. So you would once again try to hop in at the top of this candle and ride it until you're 10 to 20% gain. All right, those are for the day trades. Now I'm going to show you guys the swing trades and plays that I have mapped out. I didn't take this Tesla play, but I wish I did, because it played out perfectly. I just want to, mainly this is just to show you guys, like, I'm not trying to brag on myself, but hopefully this will show you. I know what I'm talking about. I don't have any proof I can show you guys, but I'm imagining y'all don't think I'll fucking lie about this dumbass shit, but I guess some people do. Who cares? But look, I had this in before. I had this double top. Oh, never mind. I'm being fucking stupid. I had all of this in before, and this is where it was before the market opened. It's right here. My time's all fucked up right now, but it was right here at market close, and then it opened on Monday here. And the reason this is a double top entry, by the way, is because of this right here. And then I was waiting for a bounce up just like this one, but it didn't. It rejected here, and it was a nice double top that it formed, but it also ran back up and made a really weird double top. And it would have shredded through my stop loss if I got in. Which, honestly, so it doesn't make this trade perfect. Wait, actually, I don't know, because this is all at market open, so maybe it just depends. But the play was to get in here at this line right here. That's why it says DT entry. DT stands for double top. But get in around this price level, ride it down to the support, and if it bounces back up, honestly, you could just sell at your double top entry. You can just sell right where you got. You'll probably take like 100, 200 loss. That's nothing. But come down here, bounce back up, that's when you would sell if it does come back up. This stop loss would be for if you get in here and then it starts to run back up. That's when you're getting out at that red line. But anyway, so you would ride it from here. Make sure it breaks the support. If it bounces up, remember you're going to sell here. And ride it down to maybe take profits and, you know, support, which would be this candle right here. So maybe I probably would have taken profit if I was in the straight. I probably would have taken it right here because you immediately see it bounce back up. You see it come here, a green candle pick up right here, and, you know, I mean, not pick up, but pick up like literally on the red candle and start going. So, you know, I definitely would have sold out here. I wouldn't have held until it came up back and then ran back down. But I would just like to show you guys that my levels held up because you see it come down to this take profit / support, and you see it hit this lowest take profit. Literally just hit it. You also see this double top entry. You see it holds up good after you get in. You see the support break, and guess what happens when it falls? It falls all the way down here after it breaks the support. After it breaks it again, it falls all the way down here. After it breaks it one more time, it comes up to now is using the support as resistance, double tops right here, and rejects to the lowest price of the day. Alright, so that's one of them. That's one of my, I guess you can say I was a double top play, but just one of my charting, you know, looking at the levels. I guess I'll show you guys how I get those videos. This is gonna be oh my god, I can't speak. I guess I'll show you guys how I get those levels. This is gonna be a long ass video. Alright. So consolidation is like the #1, it helps me so much. It is the reason I make 90% of the trades I do. Levels of consolidation. It is the reason I do what I do. So the reason this is your lowest take profit, honestly, or this is your maybe take profit just because it bounced off this one time and uses it as resistance a couple times. So this level isn't that like cemented or anything, but this is your lowest take profit because this is where the stock has consolidated right at this price level. You know, consolidation, 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 bounce off consolidation, 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 and as soon as oh, never mind, I'm tripping. But yeah, and double top entry just because of this double top. That's why this line is here, and it's at the top of this wick, and you know it was supposed to be at the top of a wick over here, but you see what happened. The stop loss is up here because it would be confirming the fact that it is running past your entry, and you know it's just gonna keep making higher highs. It doesn't really have any resistance up there, and yeah, that's how I found my levels. I will show you guys one more setup that I had. This isn't exactly a double top. This is more of a triple top ish kind of. No, it would be a double top. It would be a really short-term double top that I just found. I think this was like a couple hours in the day, and then it rejected it. So what I was looking for was a continuation of the downtrend, which is what we got. I really wish I got in this trade. You know, 6%. The contracts weren't too juicy, but they were pretty juicy, like 60%. That's big money. But you know, you can't win them all. Can't get in them all. But yeah, the reason these levels aren't important. Let me see. Oh, I remember 1680 was really big. 1680 was the level that I was looking to get in at. That's this level right here. Mostly because it used that as support. Oh fuck! God damn it! All right. Well, I just completely fucked that up. Great. But you can see it use 1680 as support multiple times. Once again, kind of consolidated. Once again, you know, just a lot, like long time of using it as support. So, and every time it breaks, you see how far it fucking falls. You see how the stock reacts to it, and it's never good. So once we're up here and then we break the support, it is just a continuation. And this would have been my take profit just because this was the low of this right here. And Really, this is another support, and I was really hoping to just, if I was in this trade. I mean, you could still hop in this trade. Like, if you guys are watching this now, this is your last area of consolidation right here. Once this breaks, I mean, and it's consolidating right here. Once this breaks right here, bro, it's gonna, I would put my life on it. It's gonna fall to 1565 at least. But that's only a, I mean, that's a 60-cent drop. That's like a 3-4% drop right there. That would be like a 30% gain. But yeah, those are my strategies, and I will show you guys what I was trying to show you guys on Robinhood, just to show you guys like, you know, more proof of the wins and which trades are actually winning for me. I should have just done this the first time I was over here, but you know, I'm an idiot. Who cares? All right, so I just wanted to show you guys which plays are actually winning for me, and show you the consistency on the SPY plays of the breaks of consolidation and the profit, you know, that ensues from the break of consolidation. So you can see here, I buy a HIMS put. This is me swinging. I buy a HIMS put, I lose $500. I'm telling y'all, the swings have been fucking me lately. But you know, you live and you learn. 6,800, sell for 7,600 on the SPY. You know, you're gonna see that all of these are puts. I'm really comfortable with puts. I really only getting calls if I'm really confident. But you know, buy SPY put, sell SPY put. That's 1,000 right there. And let's see how long that took. 8:53 a.m. And when did I buy it? Same day, by the way. 9:24. And I bought it. I literally 20-minute trade. 20-minute trade made $1,000. All right, buy SPY put. 8:40 next day. Sell SPY put. 8:50. Just made $200. $300, just like that. $300 in however many minutes. 10 minutes. $300. Buy Apple put, sell Apple put. Lose $750 fucking dollars, bro. I'm so mad about that. These Apple plays, bro. I mean, oh wait, no mind. I'm tripping. But I promise you, it's a lot worse. All right. So buy Apple, sell. Buy Apple. So we just spent $6,850 on Apple. Let's see how much we get back. Remember, 8,000. Oh wait, 6,000. Fuck, I'm lost. 6,850, and we get back 4,400. Yikes! Yikes! So 2,400 loss right there. Just, you know, because Apple just decided to fuck me. But we get back to our old strategy. We get back to the strategy that we know works. This was a pretty long trade. I won't lie. This one was risky, a lot riskier than my past ones. You know, when I'm in and out 10, 20 minutes. I hold this one for 2 hours. And yeah, made $3,000, 2 hours. This was today. Today was a crazy day. I think I already showed you guys a really crazy day. The reason you see me buy all these contracts is because I kept seeing levels. I kept seeing levels break, and I knew that I knew SPY could not hold the levels it was at today. And so I just kept seeing levels break. I kept seeing levels break, and I was just waiting on 571 to break, and it finally broke. So I doubled down. That's why you see all these random buy orders. But yeah, so I doubled down just to make sure I could at least, you know, try to break even for my other trades, because at that point I was down like 2,400 in one fucking trade. So you know, I was really trying to just double down so I can get that profit, get that money back. And I know that sounds like I'm just fucking gambling, but when a level like 571 breaks, you gotta hop in, because it had been bouncing off that all day, and then I knew I could write it down to around the 570 area, which is what happened. But yeah, like I said, today was just a crazy day. Fucking down 3,600, bro. I mean 37, and then you end up like nothing, you know, 200. But yeah, at the morning, like at market open, like I buy it like 15 minutes, I made $700. Did I take profit? No. Is that my fault? Yes. But once again, you live and you learn. And another tip I have for you guys, if you're new, never get overextended. Like I know you see me, I'm really fucking overextended, but keep your trades straight. If you're new and you really don't know what's happening, you honestly should be paper trading and you shouldn't be trading in general. But if you are going to trade and you insist on trading, keep your trades tight. If you use a stop loss, great. If you don't, just make sure you're monitoring it and keep your trades tight. And other than that, that will be it from me. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. While I was editing this video, I realized that I forgot to mention the Discord. Um, I am really like the only person that posts much in it, and I would really like new people to join. You can be new to trading; it doesn't really matter. I would really like some people in the Discord that know how to trade, so we could bounce ideas off each other. But if you're new, it's all good. Um, it doesn't cost money or any bullshit like that. It's just I'm in there, and normally anybody who's new to trading or has any questions about trading or wants me to look at a play that they have lined up, that's really what people use it for, is to get opinions from other people about their trades. Well, that's what it was used for, and now people don't really text anymore. But yeah, um, you can send your profit, anything like that. I also, just in case you guys do want this, I send most of my plots, like all the plots that you saw in the video, I send in the Discord. So, there's that. And sometimes before I make plays, I'll send them if I remember. And I also give out levels to look for, like if stuff breaks, stuff like that. And, profit zone, stuff like that. I also send contracts that people should look at, if those levels break, everything. So if you guys want to interact with me more, I know I have 0 fucking subscribers, but if you want to interact with me more or anything like that, I'll have a link in the description for the Discord. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.